coldy? Is it very cold? Alright, Eva, your turn. Oh, my baby is shivering already. Duty, you're not peeing right there, bud. Alexander. Eva's trying to come up and you're peeing there. What are you doing, Grump? She's so cold. We had a snow day here. We got probably about 6 inches. You coming down? Still snowing a little bit. Still. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you love snow? It's our street. They've plowed it a few times, but it's still pretty wild. Lemon just loves eating snow. Eating snow is Lemon's favorite. Granny, that's a big piece of snow. Wow. You want a snowball? Eva, what are you doing, pig? A little snow bunny. Mommy's little snow bunny. Here she goes. Here she goes. Lemon, come back. Eva gets crazy in the snow. She gets crazy in the snow. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is get the dogs to pull me while I'm in the sled, but they've not yet figured that out. Yeah, there you go, Grandpa, go! Mush!
Want some snow?
Not on Eva! Lemon is just eating chunks of snow. Lemon. Eva, come on. Come here. Come here, piglet. Eva, come on. Hi. 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 Go. You want a snowball? Everybody's just eating snow. Alexander, do you love snow, buddy? I got snow all over my hand. You don't bite. Baby, why do you only have one glove on?
I can't find the other one.
What hand?
My right.
This one?
It doesn't matter. I'd rather take your left.
Here, take my left. It's nice and warm. They're Target gloves. They're not very good.
I mean, these are too, but they're not bad.
This one's all like hanging off my hand like a toddler.
Judy, are your paws cold?
You wanna go back inside, bud? Let's go in the side yard. Come on.
No, go back.
Come on. Everybody. Alexander, come.
Eva, let's go.